It's on.
You want me to aim it to you, right?
Yeah.
Does this thing talk? Does it have sound?
Yeah.
Keep getting a red light. I don't know what it means.
It's okay.
And don't yell at me because it's my first time doing it. That looks cute. Right in the snow.
Hang on. I'm going to do it again.
All set? Should I shut it off? I need the little view thing because I can't tell if I'm getting it. Smile! Smile! You're on candy camera!
Hang on. I'll put on the thing, I'll let it spin it. Take the dog.
And there's my babies. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Bear. You being good boys? You being mama's good boys? Yes, 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 yes. Did you see the snowman? Did you see the flying snowman? Oops.
Let's see if he takes off on this stand. Step back over here.
Yeah, don't hit me.
Ready?
Yeah.
Well, so upside down. Nope.
Oh.
That wasn't good.
Nope.
Hang on.
At least he's happy.
Oh, battery.
Okay.
All right, we're done.